If you're a man over 60, you've probably been told 1,000 times that walking is enough exercise. Doctors recommend it, friends swear by it, and it feels safe. But here's the shocking truth. According to recent orthopedic and cardiac studies, walking alone might not be enough to keep your muscles, balance, and joints strong after 60. In fact, some surgeons are now saying that walking should only be your warm-up, not your main workout. Why? Because while walking keeps your heart active, it doesn't stop muscle loss, protect your knees, or build the strength that prevents falls and injuries, the real causes of loss of independence in later life. So today, let's look at 5 surgeon-approved exercises that research shows are better than walking for men over 60. These moves rebuild strength, boost balance, and protect your joints, all in just minutes a day. The first exercise is wall squats, a safe and powerful move for your thighs and glutes. Stand with your back against a wall, feet shoulder-width apart, and about 2 feet forward. Slowly slide down the wall until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Hold for 10 seconds, then push back up. Repeat 10 times. This simple movement strengthens your quadriceps and knees, protecting your joints from stiffness. A 2021 orthopedic review found that controlled wall squats improve knee function and muscle endurance better than regular walking for men over 60. The second exercise is standing leg curls. Hold the back of a chair for balance and bend one knee to bring your heel toward your glutes. Hold for 2 seconds and slowly lower it back down. Alternate between legs for 15 reps each. This exercise targets your hamstrings, muscles that walking barely engages, and it also helps stabilize your hips and knees. Surgeons often recommend it for older men recovering from knee or hip stiffness because it strengthens the back of the leg, balancing muscle tension and reducing pain. The third movement is step-ups. Find a low step or staircase. Step up with your right foot, bring your left up to meet it, then step down carefully. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps per leg. This exercise mimics climbing stairs, one of the best real-world indicators of leg strength and heart health. Studies from Harvard Medical School show that step-ups strengthen the legs more efficiently than walking, while improving cardiovascular endurance and coordination. The fourth exercise, and one every surgeon loves, is the bridge pose. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips up slowly, squeezing your glutes, then lower back down. Do this for 10 repetitions. The bridge not only strengthens your glutes and lower back, but also realigns your spine and pelvis, something walking can't do. According to orthopedic research, regular bridge training reduces back pain and increases stability in men over 60. Finally, the fifth exercise is the standing calf raise. Hold a wall or chair for support. Lift your heels off the ground slowly. Stand on your toes. Hold for 3 seconds and lower back down. Repeat 15 to 20 times. This exercise strengthens your calves, improves circulation, and supports your balance. Surgeons often call it the anti-fall exercise because it trains the small stabilizing muscles that walking ignores. Together, these 5 movements activate all the major muscle groups in your legs and core, something walking alone simply can't achieve. And here's the beauty of it. You can do them all in under 10 minutes without any special equipment. If you combine these with your daily walks, you'll notice dramatic changes within weeks. Stronger legs, better balance, fewer aches, and more confidence when moving. You'll walk taller, climb stairs easier, and move with the kind of strength that keeps you independent for decades. Men, walking may take you places, but strength keeps you there. At this stage of life, your legs aren't just for moving. They're your foundation, your freedom, your power. Every time you squat, lift, or rise, you're telling your body, I'm still strong, I'm still here. Don't let time take that from you. Start these 5 exercises today, and let your strength speak louder than your age.